On the wings, clockwise. Go. Nice run. Ready, hold the ball with your left, around the waist, counterclockwise. Small boys is listening. Remember your score, later we got your scores. Okay? Counterclockwise, hold the ball to your left. Okay, it's not, fit together. Look front. Huwag malamig yung katawan. Okay, the score around the wings clockwise and counterclockwise. So we'll write two scores now. We will write two scores now. For clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay, stand up. Stand up, ready. Go to your right. We'll do around the legs clockwise. Again, I want you to do it the way Coach Philip did it a while ago. Okay, ready. Go to your right. Feet together. Around the way, around the legs clockwise. I stand. Babae yung kwet. Ready. Go. Babae yung kwet. I stand. Chan. Balik na agad. Tulisara. Oh, back straight. Hold the ball with your left, around the legs, counterclockwise. Ready? Stay low. Don't go up and down. Stay low. Nice start. Keep it going.